We just walked into one of the most functional studio condos you will ever see. And the reason for that is because a really nice entryway, which you don't always get in these studio condos. And even in here, we have a pantry, which also leads to the laundry. And looking over here at the kitchen, and I'll flip you around here, definitely better. Checking out the kitchen here. Love the finishes, quartz countertops, and there again is the entryway. If we take a look, the lighting in here is fantastic. And one thing we do love about this property is the awesome view. Look at that. Really expansive view. The balcony's shut for the winter months, obviously, but if you do look at the listing, we do have awesome photos from when it was super sunny out. I'm taking a look at the rest of the condo, and this is the large space. So when we talk about being functional, a really great space for the kitchen, and this is island is movable. And then because it is a studio, this doubles as both a sleeping and living situation. So you can use a nice pull-out couch or a bed scenario and still have tons of light, tons of great space here, and also the finishes in the bathroom are great. So just wanted to give an update of why this is one of the most functional studio condos you will see, and it looks fantastic. Little windy up here, but always love to see a roof deck and the views, because if you are living in a condo, having the ability to get out of your space and go up to the top floor, for this condo in particular, it has the gym and a huge barbecue terrace up here. But check out that view, so amazing. Definitely one of the best features of condo living is if your building does have some kind of outdoor amenity space, and when you have a view like that, it definitely adds to the desirability of the condo.